Hello everyone, this is our 19th video tutorial under the GCSE topic revision guide called Substitution. Under this topic, we are going to be doing various exam style questions. Expression is given and various variable. We will see how to substitute and find the final answer. This is the video tutorial for the substitution. You can download this tutorial from our website at www.smarttutor.co.uk/worksheet.php. Let's look at the questions. Question number 1, m equal 3x squared minus 9 nx, and work out the value of m when x equal minus 2 and n equal 5. So all what we want to do is just to rewrite the formula. So m equal 3x squared minus nx. So 3 times minus 2 whole thing squared minus n is 5 times x equal minus 2. So 3 times minus 2 squared is 4. Then minus times minus is plus. 2 times 5 is 10. So 3 times 4 is 12 plus 10. So 10 plus 12 is 22. So that is the answer for the first question. Boxes on the table, the area of the boxes contact with the table is 1500. So the area is given 1500 centimeter squared. The pressure P is 28 Newton per meter squared. Work out the force. So the question is, what is the force? Give your answer correct to the nearest whole number. So here the equation is given, P equal force over area, pressure equal force over area. So the force is the question. So we can cross multiply. 1 times F is F equal pressure times A. Right, so pressure is given 28. Area is 1500 centimeter squared. So we can find out F equal pressure is 28 times area is 1500 centimeter squared. Here is the problem. There's if you carefully look at this question, pressure is in meter squared and area is in centimeter squared. So we need to convert the centimeter squared to meter squared. So hope you understand the conversion. So centimeter to meter, we need to divide by 100, and centimeter squared to meter squared, we need to divide by 10,000. How the 10,000 come is centimeter times centimeter. So divide by 100 and another 100, divide again by 100. So 2 times dividing by 100, which is 10,000. So you need to divide the 1500. So 1500 is the area, divide by 10,000, that much of meter squared. 20 cancel, 100, 15 divided by 100, 0.15. So 28 times 0.15. Let me do a simple calculation here. So 28 times 0.15 equal 4.2 is the answer. So F equal 4.2 Newton. So here the main thing is the unit conversion. Careful with the unit conversion here. Question number 3, find the value of V when B equal 4. So V equal 3 times 4 plus 2 times 4 squared. So 3 times 4 is 12 plus 4 squared is 60 times 2, 32, 42, 44. So V equal 44. S equal 2p squared plus 3q squared. So P equal minus 4, Q equal 5. Work out the value of S. So S equal 2 times p squared, which is minus 4 whole thing squared, plus 3 times 5 squared. So 2 times minus 4 squared is 16 plus 3 times 25. So 2 times 16 is 32 plus 75. So answer is 7, and 7 plus 3 is 107. So that is the answer for. So first of all, here 3 times 25 is 75 and 2 times 16 is 32. 107 is the answer. T equal 2m plus 30. T equal 40. Find the value of m. So T equal 40 equal 2m plus 30. So 2m equal, you're bringing the 30 to other side. So 40 minus 30 equal 2m. So 10 equal 2m and m equal 5. So that is the final answer for the question number 4. Question number 5. S equal ut plus half at squared. Find the s when the given parameters is given. So s equal ut plus half at squared. So in this equation, u is 30 times t is 6 plus half a is 5, t squared, 6 squared, 6 times 6 is 36. So here's 30 times 6 is 180 plus half times 5 times 36. So 180 plus this go 2 times 1 and 2 times 18. 18 times 5 is 90. So 90 plus 180 is 270. Question number 6. A squared equal a squared plus b squared equal c squared. Find the b when a equal minus 2. So minus 2 squared plus b squared equal 5 squared. So we are going to work out what is the value of b squared, which is 5 squared minus minus 2 squared. So 5 squared is 25 minus minus 2 squared is 4. So 25 take away 4 is 21 is b squared. So b equal plus or minus square root of 21. So that is the answer for the question number 6. Question number 7. A equal 27 is given. So 27 equal h is 4, x plus 10 divide by 2. So the 2 can be divide the 4 2 times here. So 27 equal 2x plus 20. So what I did is I expand the bracket. 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 10 is 20. So then bring this 20 other side. So 27 take away 20 equal 2x. So 7 equal 2x. So 2x equals 7 means x equals 7 by 2, or you can leave the answer in decimal point 3.5. Work out the value 6t cube minus 11. 6 times minus 4 cube minus 11. So 6 times minus 4 times minus 4 times minus 4. So 3 times minus 4 is minus 64. Then minus 11. So I put this in the brackets because it's a times. So 6 4s are 24. 2 times 6 times 6 36. 384 and minus 11. So the final answer is minus 395. So that is the answer for the question number 8. Careful with the minus 4 cube. I'm considering all these questions are appearing on the non-calculator paper. If you have the calculator, it's matter of pressing the buttons. So I'm trying to work out the non-calculator method. So minus 4 3 times mean minus 4 and minus 4. Minus time minus plus, plus time minus is minus. 4 times 4 16, 16 times 4 is 64. That is the answer here. Then 6 3 60, 384 minus 11 minus 395. Question number 9. A equal 4BC, A equal 100 equal 4 times minus 4 times C. So the answer is, work out the value of C. So here 100 equal minus 16C. So C equal 100 divided by minus 16. So C equal minus 50 over 8. If I simplify, minus 25 over 4. Right, so if you want, we can give it as a minus 641. That is the answer. Question number 10. Work out the value of p q minus 3 in brackets over 4 when p. So this is the expression is given, p q minus 3 over 4 and p equal to q equal minus 7 minus 3 over 4. So that is equal to 2 times minus 7 minus 3 is minus 10 over 4. 2 times 1, 2 times 2. So minus 10 divided by 2, minus 5. That is the final answer for the question number 10. Question number 11. V squared equal u squared minus 2fs. The answers are given and we need to find out the v squared. So 30 squared minus 2 times 5 times 12. 30 squared is 900 minus 2 times 5 is 10, 120. So 780 is the answer for the v squared. So v equal plus or minus square root of 780. I'll leave it as it is, but if they want to, they're asking find the value of v. You can find the answer in decimal place and then you can round up to 2 decimal place or something like that. So square root of 780 square root is 27.93. So plus or minus 27.93 for 2 decimal place. V equal u plus 10t, right? M equal 2t. Find the value of m when v equal 40 and u equal 15. So what we can do is, there's a 2 equation given. One, from the first equation you can find the t, which is 40 minus 15 equal 10t. So 25 divided by 10 is t, which is t equal 2.5. So t equal 2.5 means m equal 2 times 2.5. Then the answer is 5. That is the answer for question number 12. Question number 13. F equal ma, a equal v minus u over t. Find the value of f. So given value m and v and u, t, everything is given. So we can find the second equation. A equal v is 25 minus 10 over t equal 3. So 25 take away 10 is 15 over 3 is 5. So a equal 5. Then f equal m times a. So ma. So m is given 4. A is 5. So we already found the answer, f equal 20. So that is the answer for the question number 13. Our last question, question number 14. F equal ma squared and a is given. Everything is given as a equal v is 50 minus 30 over 2.5. So a equal 50 take away 30 is 20 over 2.5. So if I times both side by 10, so to make sure that when I simplified this one quickly, this is 25. So in 100, 25 fours and 200 means 8. So answer a equal 8. So f equal, that is the question they ask, 5.8 times 8 squared, because a squared is 8 squared. So basically this is 5.8 times 64. If this is coming on a non-calculator paper, then you have to do a long multiplication to find the answer, but I'm just using a calculator, assuming this is going to be in the calculator paper. 64 371.2, and that is the answer for the question number 14. that is the end of the question. If you like to download this tutorial, you can get this tutorial from our website at www.smarttutor.co.uk/worksheet.php. I hope you like this video. If you do like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to see all the upcoming videos. Thank you very much.